Hello everyone, today I'm going to be simply teaching you how you can use a Bigo Live app. It is going to be a very simple and easy tutorial video, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, go ahead and open your Bigo Live app. I hope you have watched my last video to download and sign up Bigo app. You'll have to skip the ad over here, as you can see, and on this page you will start the application. On the bottom you can see there are many options. On the first option, it is basically your home page where you can see other people's videos right over here. If you click on the second icon, which looks like a planet, it is basically featured, and you can choose your countries and regions up here, and you can basically see the people from which country are they from, as you can see. And then there is also a star icon, as you can see. It is basically the people who are live. And then there's finally your profile icon, where you can see your profile and you can basically check post, wallet, and other stuff like that. As you can see, people are live over here as well. And once you're in the live, you can simply either follow the person, or even you can text by just typing right over here, as you can see. And that is about it for the Bigo Live app. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.